Hello there, my friend, and welcome to this My Lead Gen Secret Payment Proof video. It's Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, sharing with you simple ways for you to earn a passive income online. What you want to do is you want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on more training from me. Now, in this video, I will be making a withdrawal from my two My Lead Gen Secret platforms. This is a platform that can help you grow your email subscriber list from 0 to 3,000 in the next 30 days guaranteed, without you having to spend a single penny on paid traffic, right? So I'm sure you've heard the money is in the list, but as you're growing this list, you can actually earn a passive recurring income by sharing this opportunity with others. So let me just go ahead and real quick talk to you about how you can earn commissions with the system, and then I'm going to go ahead and make a withdrawal. So My Lead Gen Secret is a platform that gives you access to 100 USA email leads every single day. And as a member, you get these subscribers drip fed into your contact list every 24 hours. You can actually go ahead and email these leads from your back office. And if you share this with others, you can earn $5 monthly residual income from your personal referral. For every 5 customers that you refer within a week, you get a $100 bonus, and you get paid through check, PayPal, and Bitcoin. So we're going to make a withdrawal through PayPal, okay? And for all your fast action takers, not only can you get paid from your personal referrals, you can leverage your network and get paid all the way down 5 levels deep. So you can benefit from your referrals, all the way down 5 levels deep. So let's log into our back office here real quick. And you can see here, the last email I sent today was the 1st of November. That's today. I sent that to 153,400 leads. So what you can do is, this is a lead generation platform. The leads are drip fed in here, and you can go ahead and email these leads whatever opportunity that you choose. Okay, so it's a great lead generation source for myself. Okay, now let's go ahead and make that withdrawal. So you can see here from this first account, I've earned $5,424. I've actually been paid, I've withdrawn $5,145. So I'm going to go ahead and request this $279 withdrawal. Now, all you need to make a withdrawal is $30. Once you have $30, you can request payment, but I just let it add up here and then request the payment. So all I do is hit here, request payment, and then I will be sent an email notifying me that I've not made that request. So your request has been sent. We will process your request in high priority. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to go ahead and log out of this account and log into my second account and request a withdrawal. And then we'll come back in the next half where I'll show you proof of me getting that money through PayPal. I'm sure it's the 1st of November here, 3:10 o'clock. 10 minutes past 3. I said 3:10 o'clock. But yeah, when I wake up tomorrow, I'm sure I'll have these funds in my PayPal account. So let me go ahead and pause this while I'm going to pause it, log into my second account, and show you the withdrawal in real time, okay? And then at the end of the video, once the withdrawals come through, I will be showing you how to get access to some exciting bonuses if you decide to use this platform to build your list and to earn a passive recurring income. Oops, share my screen. I remember that. Okay, so here I am. I'm just going to scroll down to the commissions. You can see here we get paid 5 levels deep. These are monthly recurring commissions from $5 per month all the way down to $1 per month. So I'm just scrolling down to the bottom here, and you can see from the second account, I've earned $3,333. I've withdrawn $3,082. I'm going to go ahead and withdraw this $251 today by clicking request payout, right? And let me just show you a sample of the email. And this is that email you get. So ticket received, new payout request for My Lead Gen Secret. So we should acknowledge that we've received the ticket you created. So as I say, when I wake up in the morning, I'll have the funds in my PayPal account. I'll share with you the proof of that, and then I'll show you how you can get access to some exciting bonuses if you decide to check this opportunity out. Okay, my friends, I'm back. So I'm going to show you real-time proof of me receiving the commissions through my PayPal account, and also share with you the exciting bonuses I have for you if you decide you want to check this opportunity out. So let me go ahead and share my screen. So this is an email I got 12 hours ago while I was sleeping. So, hi Angela, I just sent you 530 in commissions. So 279 is from Grow Rich Book, 251 is from Angela, total 530. So I'm just going to pause this, and I'm just going to share with you. This is the email I got from PayPal. So that's the 530 commissions I've received, right? So PayPal's taken their 28.92 USD dollars, and then I have $500 there. And if you want to check this out, I have step-by-step training, video tutorials taking you by the hand, walking you through how you can actually set everything up. I have links at the bottom. Make sure you click the links at the bottom, and I share with you how you can use the My Lead Gen Secret, generate leads for My Lead Gen Secret and ClickBank. So I have 9 step-by-step video tutorials, and then I have email swipes there for you as well. So once you watch the tutorials, you can just copy and paste the email swipes, okay? So thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. Go ahead and click the link below to create your free account. And if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic